everyone, this is just a simple chignon hairstyle. First I take little section from both sides and then pin that away like that. Then I take little section off the top of the crown of the head and then just use a little bit of texture spray just to give it a bit more volume to it. If you don't have that, just use a little bit of flexi hairspray to it. Then all we're going to do is just back comb it a little bit just to give it a bit more volume to it so it don't look too flat. Do it all the way with the section that you've done the texture powder to. Then you have it looking like that. Then bring it all down again and smooth it out with a brush. You can use a comb if you like, that will work fine. Then gather it all up just to smooth it a little bit and then tie it into a ponytail like this. Just smooth it out, tie it into but we're not going to pull the ponytail all the way through. We're just going to make like a little bun to it. Then spread it out a little bit and then pin it. Use as much bobby pin as you need just to make it nice and secure. Then split the bottom section in half, bring the left side, twist it around a bit and then bring it over to the right side. Pin that away, use as much bobby pin as you need and repeat the same thing off from the right side. Bring that over, pin it a little bit and then the section on the right, just spin, take your comb and then just spin it around a little bit. Then pin that away just to give it a little bit more twist and then do the same thing on the left side but bring it over onto the right side like this. Then pull the tail comb out and then you're going to have it set inside and then just spin it away. Pinch and pull the crown a little bit just to give it more volume to it where we back comb. Then just work your eye to it, just pull it out a bit, pinch and pull it out like this, just make it all voluminous. There we go. Then spray it with some hairspray and this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. I really appreciate you watching my video and thank you very much for the likes. Thank you, bye.